Yeah, Bryce, it looks like there's a couple of breaks coming through, but right now we're about to see some heavier rain move into much of the Delta, and those temperatures are pretty mild this morning considering we've been in the low to mid 40s the last couple of mornings waking up. So this is a little bit nicer, but you're still going to need that rain jacket as you head out the door because there is a lot of precipitation on the radar, and you can kind of see this. There's a stationary front which is draped over the southeast and also a low pressure system that has some tropical characteristics and could become a tropical depression by later this afternoon, but it will be short-lived as it's going to be picked up by this front and continue to stream this moisture northward into the Delta and much of Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, and Louisiana, and even eastern Texas seeing some very heavy rain, and there was actually even some snowfall into the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma earlier this morning, so it's a pretty complex system that's moving through. And like I mentioned, in the northwest Gulf, we do have this disturbance. This could possibly become a tropical depression. But it's going to lose its tropical characteristics pretty quickly if it does decide to become a depression. It's going to get picked up by this little front that's moving through, and that's going to sweep it northward and bring even more deep Gulf moisture into the Delta. So we're going to see that heavy rain continuing as we head into the night and even into early Saturday morning. And right now you can just see this is very expansive. I mean, this rain is all the way from Birmingham down to Houston, up into Tulsa and Oklahoma City. So just hundreds of miles. So just about everyone in the southeast, other than the Carolinas, are seeing some rain this morning. And Mississippi really seeing a lot of that heavy rain action across the entire state. So if you live in the Magnolia State today, especially the Delta, pretty much anywhere, you're going to see some heavy rain off and on through the day, and we do have that flash flood watch in effect. And moving in a little bit closer, Lexington, Greenwood, Grenada, you're all seeing some pretty heavy rain right now, even down towards Canton. Rolling Fork starting to get in on the action, and that heavier rain is starting to push into Greenville, Rosedale, and Clarksdale, and that will continue to be the trend. There is a couple of breaks near El Dorado, but those will fill in pretty quickly, and we'll see this whole area just see heavy rain as we head through the day. And how much rain are we expecting? Are you wondering that? Because I'm about to tell you, as we look at our future tracker, this heavy rain is going to continue through 6 p.m. and throughout the night. I mean, it's just going to be round after round after round of heavy rain. We get that deep Gulf moisture coming in most locations. By Saturday morning, the rain may start to taper off, but you're going to be left with some puddles on the roadways in your yard because we're expecting anywhere from 3 to 4 inches. Some locations only getting around 2.5, but that's still a lot of rain. And wherever the heaviest rain band set up, we could actually see upwards of 5 inches. So this is just a model projection of what we're expecting. So this is going to be the average of what we'll see, but there's going to be some locations that see even more rain than this. And that chance of rain will finally get out of the area Sunday into Monday as we see some sunshine return before another storm system is going to move in into Wednesday and next week. So that'll be something to watch. But for now, we have to get through today. Flash flood watch is in effect until tomorrow at 1 p.m. So about the next 36 hours or so, we're going to be under the gun. We're going to see round after round of heavy rain. And anywhere located in these green outline, which includes the entire Delta, southeastern Arkansas, and portions of northeastern Louisiana, could see some flooding potential develop as we continue to see these rounds move through into the afternoon and overnight hours. And what to expect over the next couple of days is just 3 to 5 inches of rain. Like I said earlier, we could see locally heavier amounts, and these periods of heavy rainfall will continue as we head through the day and the afternoon hours. And we're only going to reach a high temperature of 60 degrees, and that rain will be persistent throughout the day. And we're even going to see a pretty nice breeze too, so it's going to be breezy at times with the northeast wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight that rain continues. We're not really going to see any breaks in that. Temperatures are going to hold just about steady, and we're going to see still those breezy conditions persisting through the overnight with the northeast wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And tomorrow we're going to warm up just a little bit, but it's still going to be a relatively cool day. We're going to see that rain continuing through the morning hours. We'll see some clearing in the afternoon, and by the evening we may even see a few peaks of sunshine. So after a couple of days of rain, we'll be glad to see that sunshine. And Sunday and Monday looking good the first part of next week, and then another system moves in